time to dominate your opponent. This game's got to be played the way football should be played. If you're not tough, you will not stand up to this game. We got to start fast. We got to finish strong. Let the man know across from you he's in for a rough day. I want this for my team. I want this for my school. We're Miami. Shock the world. It's whipping somebody across the ball, play after play, and when this game is over, we won the game. That's why all the people are here, because we win.